In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome go full screen mode. Whether you're watching your favorite movie or focusing on an important document, entering full screen mode can really help cut out distractions and enhance your viewing experience. So, let's dive in and see exactly how you can do this with Google Chrome. First off, on your Chrome window, a quick and straightforward way to enter full screen mode is by pressing the F11 key on your keyboard. This key acts like a toggle, meaning that when you press it once, Chrome enters full screen mode, hiding all other elements and making the web page take up the entire screen. It's perfect for eliminating distractions and immersing yourself into your current task. For those using a laptop, sometimes the function keys are bound to hardware control by default, so you may need to press the FN key along with F11. Once you're in full screen mode, you might wonder how to get back out. It's just as simple. You can press the F11 key again, and you'll exit full screen mode, returning Chrome to its normal view with all your tabs and the address bar reappearing. Now, if you're more of a mouse-clicking person or can't find the F11 key for some reason, there's another easy method. You can use the three-dot menu, or as some people call it, the hamburger menu, located in the top right corner of the Chrome window. Once you click on this, a drop-down menu appears. Here, you want to find the option labeled Zoom. Look closely, and you'll notice a square box icon next to it. Clicking on this icon will take you into full screen mode. When you're ready to return to your previous view, or perhaps switch back to multitasking, moving your mouse to the top of your screen will reveal a hidden menu bar. Here you may see an X icon that you can click to exit full screen mode. Alternatively, pressing the F11 key again will do the trick as well. For anyone using these methods, recognizing how full screen mode can make such a difference might encourage you to use it more often. Whether you need an uninterrupted view for streaming videos, reviewing a project, or simply want a cleaner interface while surfing the web, full screen mode can be a real game changer. So, there you have it. With these simple, straightforward steps, you can easily toggle Google Chrome's full screen mode, lending you more space to work, play, and view what's most important to you. Feel free to share this tip with anyone you think might find it helpful, and thanks for tuning in.